CNC precise double head cutting saw. Imported carbide's blade is of accurate processing and high endurance. High precision main shaft to keep saw blades running stability. Pneumatic hydraulic damp device to keep the stable feeding. The feeding system adopts the imported linear guide pair, with high accuracy and stability. High precision linear bearing to keep the repositioning precision. Auto-turnable machine head, 2 saw heads are adjustable and cut the profiles in 67.5 degrees, 45 degrees, 90 degrees freely. Vertical and horizontal clamping cylinder. Spraying cooling system. Right head feeding adopts high helical pitch ball screw lead motion, with high accurate driving. Locating and smooth working, which move by motor. Auto opening shield make the operation safety. This machine uses the numerical control technology. Profiles different specifications can be completed automatically under the expected size. If you like it, you can contact me.